Hey everybody, my name is Thomas. I work here at Point S Corporate in Alltrac and Implementation Services. And today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on the Technician View. Firstly, we need to navigate to our Technician View. Here, a technician can see how many appointments are upcoming in the day and how many appointments they can interact with currently. Technicians can only see the appointments that are assigned to them, and they can only interact with appointments that have been checked in. It looks like we have a Kermit the Frog appointment for 4:15. I'm going to make that selection by clicking on the appointment. Here we have all the information on the car and the appointment. First, we're going to start the service by clicking the Start Service button. You'll notice a timer starting. This timer isn't connected to anything serious. It just helps track how long this appointment has been going on. Now let's say you want to pause the appointment because you're waiting on a certain part to come in. Simply click the Pause Service. It will prompt you for a reason. I'm going to say I'm waiting for parts. And then click Pause. And if you'd like to resume the appointment, simply click Resume Service. Now we have the Start Inspection button. This option might be grayed out for you. In that case, it means your service manager did not attach an inspection report template to the appointment. If you believe the appointment you're working on warrants an inspection report, please let your service manager or lead technician know. But if you do have an inspection report template attached, click the Start Inspection button. This will pull up the inspection report. I'll fill this out real quick. Then we have this option that's grayed out right here. It's the View Work Order. This option might be available to you, but it's not to me. The reason why it's grayed out for me is because we did not pull over our appointment information from Traction Work Order. Our appointment information is here in the Alltrac database, so we don't need to view the work order because it's not a Traction work order. But if you have this option, you can simply click the View Work Order and you can see the Traction work order. After you have gotten everything taken care of that you need to take care of for the appointment, it's time to click Complete Service. And once you're absolutely positively sure, click Complete. And there you go. That is everything you need to know about the standard Technician View. Thank you for watching. Hey, are you interested in more training? Well, we have a playlist here on YouTube full of helpful tutorials to assist you with your Alltrac experience. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a nice day.